Hey guys, in this video, I want to talk to you about the single biggest contributor to your success as a small business owner, and that is your support system. I never know how people are going to find me. I never know what stage they're at in their business, but I do know this: when I put out a message and it resonates with someone, there's something that struck a chord because someone else understands what it is that you're going through. When I started my business, I was undercapitalized, I didn't have very many resources, and I dang sure didn't have a support system. I didn't come from a family of entrepreneurs, I didn't have friends and family that were starting businesses, so I was kind of left out on a limb all by myself. When I found myself in tough times and I was struggling, whether it be financially or just, with employees, I didn't have the answers to certain things. I didn't really have a support system to lean on and get guidance or encouragement or just like a friendly hug or nudge to keep going. So this is why I create programs and do what I do, to help struggling small business owners who don't have the answers, who don't have friends or family to support them, to be able to come to a community that does 100% understand what it is that you're going through. There's something powerful about being in a community where people not only can relate to you, but they see a little bit of your struggle in themselves. And the thing is when you see someone else struggling with something that you're struggling with, it's easy to give someone else advice, right? Sometimes you need friendly nudges to be able to give you some clarity that you didn't think you can find on your own. Sometimes you need to be inspired by different ideas. Sometimes it's just rest and recovery. The In Real Life Retreat is an extension of my programs. It's the step that you take after you learn all the fundamentals of business, after you watch all of the modules and the training programs that I put together, and kind of hit the grind and started to implement some of these things. Once you do that, you are definitely going to need some encouragement along the way. You're going to need somebody who understands what you're going through, who can give you a friendly hug or nudge if that's what you need. You also want to come together as a community so that way you can inspire each other and ideate together and come up with different solutions to problems that maybe because you're so in the thick of things, you can't think of on your own. When we come together at the In Real Life Retreat, magic happens because you've got all these people who understand your struggles. They want to hug you, they want to love you, they want to pour into you, and most importantly, they want to listen to you. They want to hear where you're at, and they want to offer guidance and encouragement and just be there to support you. We all need that at some stage in our business.
I heard about IRL and I wanted to be there so bad because I was like, that just seems like the community that I need, like that I'm really looking for, and that the support that not only I need, but that I know that I can give. If there's anything I can take away from here, is so much inspiration, because in each and every one of us, we all have a different story. And in every story, we've all gone through some type of struggle, and we all still ended up here. Even being here for this weekend, I didn't have to be in my shop, and that was one of the most rewarding things for me because I really set my staff up for success. They sold out this weekend, and I haven't done that in I don't know how long, so that also brings tears to my eyes. Going back home, I'm honestly super pumped. I know that I'm not losing any of the connections here. We're a community, and we're gonna be able to support each other. I'm excited to do that in my business. I'm excited to provide that guidance and help others in that for their businesses as well. If I didn't come to IRL, I would have totally been upset that I missed out on everything, because everything was kind of a surprise. So every single moment that we've spent here was just so almost magical in a sense. And if I didn't show up here, I don't think that I would be as inspired and as pumped to go back and really put in that work that I need to do at home. If you're on the fence about it, if you're concerned about it, talk to Janelle. She's personable. She will work with you. She says it all the time. It's not about the money. It's about you, and it's about allowing you to progress past what you can see. You could tell me about this place all day long, but it's nothing like experiencing it in real life.
So before attending IRL retreat, I Was a little nervous to meet Janelle because I definitely fangirled her. I wanted to do it years ago when I did Passion to Profit, and I didn't have the money at that point. And now it came across and I was like, I have the money and I am doing this. And I just needed the sisterhood. I needed to get away for myself because my biggest struggle is definitely taking care of myself and not just the bakery. Since coming to IRL, I have gained a sense of friendship and sisterhood. I have learned to look forward even more and just dig for my inner reasons and whys of why I do what I do. If you're on the fence about joining the In Real Life retreat, I say do it. It's worth it. It's worth every penny. Just the sisterhood and the memories that you create, just the bond that you make is well worth. You can't even put a price on that.
The deciding factor for me to come to In Real Life was knowing that I wanted to learn more from Janelle. I needed to be with her and I wanted to gain more wisdom from her, and I knew that I had an excellent experience in Passion to Profit, and I wanted, more of that community, more of that knowledge, more of that insight from other women. Being here at In Real Life just has been an amazing experience. Number one, the community is amazing. I'm sure a lot of bakers can relate. It feels very lonely. Whether you own a storefront, whether you bake from home, a lot of it feels like it's on you. And so to come to a place where other people can relate to that and you feel like you have instant connection with these other women is amazing. You don't have to explain yourself. They get it. They get you. And you could not ask for a better experience. You just need to do it. You need to take the risk. You need to take the chance on yourself. We could tell you all day, but it's one of those things that you have to see to believe. You have to experience it to know that this is where you needed to be. This is what you needed.
What I learned in real life retreat is that we're all going through the same thing. We're not alone. My little problems are not just on me. We're all going through the same thing, and it's one step at a time. And what I'm taking away from this retreat is definitely my new sisters. I've made new friendship. In 24 hours I was already adopting new sisters, and they will be my to-go-to persons as soon as I have questions in business. If you're looking to have support, if you're looking to have people that understand you, if you're looking for a break and taking just a deep breath and enjoying life and realizing that, I can have my business and actually take care of myself, Real Life will have you realize it in 2 hours in here. And it's like a life-changing opportunity that I'm so happy and proud that I took the step to take it, and I will take it over and over again.
I joined Passion to Profit in October of 2020, and right in the middle of my busy season, but it was the best thing I ever did for my business. Before coming to the retreat, when I first found out about it, I was like, oh yes, this is gonna happen. And I talked to my husband about it, and he said to me, these people are the only reason you have money in your bank account, you should go. I was like, all right, I just needed that. The biggest thing I'm going to take away is friendships. And I've been feeling kind of alone. I've had a transition in my life with my kids leaving, and it's nice to have some people that are in my corner. I would say if you're unsure about whether you should come to the IRL retreat, just take that out of your mind and just go. Just book it. Just put your faith in whatever your higher power is, that it will work out, the finances will work out. This is something I could not recreate for myself. I could not have had the experiences that I've had without Janelle and without this whole IRL team. This has been irreplaceable.
When people come to a real life retreat, I think they feel re-energized. I think they feel like they got some good ideas. I think most importantly, they feel like they're ready to hit the ground running again when they go back to their life, their business, whatever challenges they have, because they're taking back new ideas and inspiration from a much needed break around people that understand them. I think most of the business owners that come to our retreats in person, they're really just looking to connect. They're looking to be understood, they're looking for community and support, and they're looking to just feel encouraged and loved and seen. If you're interested in attending a retreat like this or meeting us in person, I'd love for you to head over to janellecopeland.com to learn more information about how to connect with us in person. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more business information, and let me know how I can help you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.